So today in Cook the Book, we're going to be making you, we means me and all the other people in my head, which is why I say we. We're going to be making you salt baked fish. Now salt baked fish is a full-on drama fish. It's a fish that is stuffed with all fresh herbs. It is encased in salt, put into the oven, but the trick is to keep the fish nice and soft and succulent, and that is what you have to achieve. Coriander, onion, mint, freshly parsley, a bay leaf, chilies, your butter, smash it and put it into the cavity. So I have slit this fish till the bottom. So I'm going to put this butter right in, 2 little pieces. Now all this is what goes into the fish. A little salt, pinch of pepper. Just mix it, put the bay leaf in. We're going to just put all of this into this fish. Close him up. Ready. So now what we have here is some rock salt. Put egg whites, about 3. Juice of 2 limes. A good stir. Prepare a little bed for the fish. So I've placed my fish here on this bed of salt, but because this cavity is open here, I'm going to put a little bit of foil here and just close this area up so that the salt does not get into it. Dress this fishy of ours in salt. We have also preheated our oven to 230 degrees centigrade. As soon as this fish hits that heat, the egg white that we have put into the salt cooks and it forms a crust around this fish. All the lime. And now we're going to put this in an oven at 220 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes, but I think about 15 minutes. So be a little careful. So this gets hard. Very carefully take the skin off. And now we're going to scoop the flesh. It's really good. Simple fresh salad today. A little squeeze of lime. A little pepper. Really good. You have to try this. I know it looks really difficult, but it's actually not.